Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo. This vehicle comes with a 79 kWh battery producing 286 PS. The vehicle also comes finished in the lovely candy white colour. Some other exterior features include LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, and the vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. The vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch black steel wheels and has a full set of wheel hubcaps. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear-loading barn doors. Helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll also find a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple load lashing rings dotted across the load area floor. Up in the driver's cab we'll find space for up to 3 occupants. In the centre of the dash we'll also find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as access any of your favourite radio stations. Some charging points can be found dotted throughout the centre console, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel complete with touch controls, and the Volkswagen ID Buzz also comes with the keyless go function. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.